Welcome again to part 3 of our orientation. So, for clinicals, you have to have certain items in place for your clinical. First of all, you have to have a drug test. You will have a drug test before the clinicals, and you can have it done by your doctor. It's going to be a 10 panel screen of urine, and pretty much the facilities are wanting to make sure that the student is free of any illicit drugs. So you have to have a drug test. You can have it by your doctor, by your workplace, or failing all that, you can have it done here at the school for a sum of $35. You also have to have a TB test. I recommend that you go out as soon as possible, like this week, to get your TB test done. Some students are already positive, they know their status, and therefore they may have had a chest x-ray. If your TB test is positive, you will need to get a chest x-ray. For some people, they know already their status and they know to get a chest x-ray. If you know that your status is positive, you need to bring that positive letter in and evidence of your chest x-ray. If you don't have a chest x-ray with a positive PPD, you need to get one. And you would want to start working on that as soon as possible so that you can get your chest x-ray if necessary. Sometimes you have to get a blood test because you cannot get a skin test, or you cannot get a chest x-ray. You may have to get a blood test, and that you will discuss with your doctor. You also have to have CPR. We offer CPR here at the school on Thursday afternoons at 2:30 p.m. On the second floor, of course, is our CPR classroom. If you have to do CPR here, we just tell you, go downstairs to the classroom at 2:30. You do not have to sign up. However, you do have to pay for your CPR class, and that's a total of $60. For clinicals, we also ask that you purchase yourself a watch with a second hand, and we ask you to purchase your blood pressure kit. Your blood pressure kit you will use in clinicals so that you can constantly practice your blood pressures. And we ask you to bring your blood pressure kit to classroom because you will constantly use your blood pressure kit to check blood pressures, practice blood pressures in the classroom. So once more, you have to have a drug screen, a TB test, your CPR. You have to have your uniform, which we will give you. If you want to wear a white shirt under your scrub top or a black shirt under your scrub top with long sleeves, you are welcome to do that. We ask that you get black shoes or white shoes with socks, of course. And then we ask that you get your blood pressure kit and a watch with a second hand so you can start practicing from class as well as in clinical when you go to take care of the patients. So there you have it. You know your clinical items.